Hey there, this is Neil Napier and I would like to introduce you to PowrSuite. PowrSuite is a powerhouse collection of 9 high-quality tools to help you build your online business, and with the included commercial license, you can sell business creation services at any price you want. In this demo, I will show you what you can do with each of the 9 tools to grow your online business. We will start with the first place your clients will visit, your website. We have 4 highly focused apps to help you create specific types of pages that have proven time and again to drive profits right into your checking accounts. These are all chock full of templates to get you up and earning today. Create clear, high converting opt-in and offer pages to land clients quickly. You can generate some excitement for clients with our Scratch Off Page tool. Reveal a special discount or deal to increase revenue. And once you have closed that sale, you can send them to collect their bonuses on a high quality page from our Done For You Bonus Page tool. And if none of those page crafting tools fit your design needs, our Simple Page Builder can be used for any other type of page your profit site may need. Of course, no business would be able to sell anything without traffic. So we have included tools that will drive traffic to your business and to your offers. We know that social media drives traffic like nothing else. So we have given you all the templates you could need for Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, the top 3 social sites for getting targeted traffic organically. You can create impressive covers, posts, and of course, stories. Everyone loves stories. And it is clear that stories are simply dominating on social media right now. And now you too can dominate. Video of all sorts continues to grow and bring in big profits online. YouTube viewers are getting more and more picky about what to watch next. Studies show that YouTube viewers are significantly more likely to click on your video if you have a great thumbnail, and that great thumbnail will increase both watch time and traffic for you. Great thumbnails get attention and send more profitable traffic straight to you. So we have included a great thumbnail tool for you as well. You're welcome. With these powerful tools, it will be very simple for you to stop the scroll and keep the attention on your business. Speaking of your business, at some point as you grow, you are going to want to try out some paid traffic. We have just the tool for you. Our professionally designed ad templates found in the Done For You Simple Ads tool will make your offers and products stand out to your target audience. There is one final tool to round out PowrSuite. If you need to create a logo for your company or a client, you can do that easily with our Done For You logo tool. Every tool includes plenty of templates to create professional, creative, targeted content every time. Do you see all the profitable possibilities that we have baked into PowrSuite for you? This will be the last marketing tool you will ever need. You can use it to grow your business and then sell marketing services to your clients. Every tool will not only add to your bottom line, but it will also help you multiply your profits every single week. If you tried to put together this tool set on your own, you'd be paying hundreds of dollars each month, but you can get all the power of PowrSuite for a low one-time introductory price during this launch. I'll see you on the inside.